Hi, my name is Jennie Kneedler. I'm the Director of Policy and Pro Bono at the American Bar Association's Commission on Immigration. We offer many opportunities to make a difference through pro bono service and equip our volunteers with the knowledge and support that they need. You can take a direct representation case through our ProBAR project in Harlingen, Texas, or with the Immigration Justice Project in San Diego, and receive expert mentoring through our partnership with the Immigration Justice Campaign. Or you can go to the Pro Bono Matters website, sponsored by the ABA Children's Immigration Law Academy, and look for the case of an unrepresented child who needs a lawyer. Want to make a difference but can't make a long-term commitment? If you have immigration experience or are accredited with the Veterans Administration, go to abafederal.freelegalanswers.org and sign up to provide short-term legal advice to low-income individuals with immigration and veterans questions. If you're new to immigration and worried about jumping in, we have free CLE programming available on demand on the ABA website for beginner pro bono attorneys.
My name is Allie Sheets, and I'm a staff attorney at ProBAR, or the South Texas Pro Bono Asylum Representation Project. Founded in 1989, ProBAR empowers immigrants through high-quality legal education, representation, and connections to services, with a particular focus on the legal needs of adults and unaccompanied children in federal custody in the Rio Grande Valley border region. Due to the low rates of representation among adults in ICE custody, ProBAR staff frequently identify people in need of pro bono assistance. Pro bono attorneys make a huge impact on their clients' lives, advocating to secure their clients' release from detention or representing them in their cases for asylum, other relief from deportation, or appeals of adverse decisions. Many pro bono attorneys are matched with mentors through the Immigration Justice Campaign, and ProBAR staff are also available to provide support. ProBAR also serves some of the highest numbers of detained unaccompanied children nationally. When opportunities of pro bono support arise, ProBAR places cases with attorneys who represent unaccompanied children who are either detained or living locally in the Rio Grande Valley of Texas. ProBAR also refers many cases of unaccompanied children after their release from detention, so pro bono attorneys may also find opportunities to represent children in their local area.
We are all senior staff attorneys at the ABA's Children's Immigration Law Academy, or CILA. CILA is a legal resource center focused on children's immigration law and a project of the ABA's Commission on Immigration. We celebrated CILA's 5th anniversary in 2020 and have a small but mighty staff of 6. CILA is a capacity-building organization supporting legal service provider attorneys and staff, as well as pro bono attorneys, through trainings, technical assistance, and resources.
CILA's website features our recorded trainings, an online form through which to request technical assistance on a case, and numerous resources. Part of our website is dedicated to pro bono involvement, including creative models for pro bono engagement and a detailed guide for pro bono volunteers interested in working with children.
More than half of the children currently in removal proceedings are without representation. That's where you come in. Our website features a way for interested volunteers to scan case cards and express interest in assisting on a case. 13 organizations across the country currently post pro bono opportunities on our platform, Pro Bono Matters for Children Facing Deportation. We encourage you to take a look and get involved.
Ambreen Walji, and I'm a staff attorney and the pro bono coordinator with the ABA Immigration Justice Project. We are a project under the ABA Commission on Immigration based out of San Diego, California, where we work primarily out of the Otay Mesa Detention Center, which is at the border between California and Tijuana. Our mission is to provide high-quality legal services and access to justice for indigent immigrants and asylum seekers. We're a small team of about 14, including support staff, so it continues to be impossible to represent all the indigent immigrants we encounter. We rely heavily on the support of volunteers. As a result of volunteer attorney support, last year we were able to get dozens of asylum seekers out of detention during a pandemic to be reunited with their families. These attorney volunteers literally changed the lives of these immigrants. We continue to look for volunteers to take on parole and bond cases and to represent clients in their immigration hearings as they pursue asylum or other forms of relief. We're also encouraging volunteers to take on detained and non-detained clients and appeals. because we encounter hundreds of immigrants every year who have lost their merits cases because they didn't have access to an attorney at first instance and who are looking for an attorney to take on their appeal case. We see firsthand the impact that volunteers make in keeping asylum seekers out of cages, and we are so grateful for the work of our volunteers.